Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download Zoom app into your Windows 11 in a very simple way. You just simply come over into your Google Chrome and then here you just need to search for Zoom, click enter. You will get a website called www.zoom.com. So if you click on that, then there will be, you are in Zoom website. So if you scroll down a little bit and you will find the option called download. So if you click on the download, and here will be an option called download for 64-bit, download 32-bit, or download RMC4. So if you're using Windows, then you just simply click on this download 64-bit, or if you have 32-bit, then click on 32-bit. But my computer is 64-bit, that's why I'm selecting download 64-bit. So if you click on that, you can see your downloading is started. And now if I minimize it, and you can see the download is about to complete, and now it's complete over here. And what you're going to do, I will going to drag it into this desktop and click on it 2 times to install. And you can see it's initialized. It will take some seconds. And it's loading. Click yes for the permission. And now you can see it's installed. The installation was successful. Click done. And now here is 2 options called join a meeting or sign up or sign in. If you have already a Zoom account, then simply click on the sign in option, or you don't have it, then click up sign up. Or if you have any urgent meeting, then just simply click on the join or meeting. So I'm going to click on sign up and going to give my, and now here you just need to press your birthday. So I will going to randomly give some information, but you just need to do it as a proper. And now here you just need to give your Google account. So I'm going to just sign up, open Google account. Now click continue. And you can see that after a short time, you just need to click on this create account. And now if you just click on open Zoom app, you can see your Zoom is opened with the whole interface over here. So now from here, you can click for new meetings, join meetings, scheduled, and you can also do this share screen over here. So this is how you can download and install Zoom for your Windows. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.